Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I build voice agents using a GPT that I built. So let's begin. I'm going to do voice because it's easier. Hi there.
You're welcome. Are you working on an agent you'd like help designing? I'd be happy to walk through it with you.
Yes, I need help. I want to create a voice agent for a dental office. So what the agent does is book appointments, cancel appointments, and handle any questions any client has.
Great start. Let's get clear on a few details so I can shape this into a solid system prompt. First, when you say Intel Office, could you tell me more about what that is? For example, is it a clinic, a corporate office, or something else? And when you say book appointments and couple appointments, do you mean like scheduling individual and joint sessions? What kind of appointments are we talking about? Also, what kind of questions might clients ask that the agent should be able to handle? Once we nail down those, I'll ask about tone, tools, and example conversations.
Sorry, I said dental office. So a dental office. And what kind of questions it's going to handle is, basically basic questions do you think a dental office would ask. For now, this is just a demonstration, so you can think of what kind of questions they will ask. And yes, what else did you want from me?
I got it. A voice agent for a dental office. That makes perfect sense. Thanks for clarifying. Next up, just a few more things to lock in. First, what tone should the agent use? For example, warm and friendly, calm and professional, upbeat and cheerful. What kind of vibe fits your dental office best? Second, should the agent suggest things proactively, like saying, would you like to book your next cleaning while we're here? Or should it only respond when asked? Third, will the agent use any tools? For example, will it check appointment availability, book times into a calendar, send confirmations, or pull patient info? If so, I'll describe those in the prompt. And finally, could you give me one or two example questions a client might ask and the kind of reply you'd want the agent to give? Just so I can tune the tone and behavior. Want to go through these one by one?
So for the tone, and I would like the agent to sound professional and friendly. I would also
Perfect. That combo works really well for a dental office. Professional and friendly it is. Now about suggestions. Should the agent offer helpful prompts like reminding someone to book their next appointment or suggesting available times? Or
yes.
should it just wait for the client to ask? And for tools, will this demo agent actually connect to a calendar or booking system? Or should we just pretend it does for now and include that in the prompt structure? Also, when you're ready, feel free to give me an example or two of what a client might say and how you'd like the agent to respond.
For now, let's pretend like you use tools, a calendar tool, and the examples I would say an example would be trying to book an appointment or trying to see how they would like to reschedule the appointment. Um, what else?
Great, that helps a lot. We'll include a pretend calendar tool so the agent can book, reschedule, and check availability in the prompt logic. For those examples, just to be sure I reflect your style, how would you like the agent to respond? For example, if a client says, I'd like to book a cleaning appointment, would you want the agent to say something like, of course, let me check our availability. Do you have a preferred date or time in mind? And for rescheduling, if someone says, can I move my Friday appointment? Would you want, absolutely. Let me pull up your current appointment. Are there any days or times that work better for you? Feel free to tweak the wording if you have a specific style in mind.
Yes, those examples are fine by me.
Awesome, thanks. Just a few final things to wrap it up. If the agent doesn't know something, like if a client asks a medical question or something it can't handle, should it say something like, I'm not sure, but I recommend calling the office? Or do you want a different fallback? Also, Are there any topics the agent should avoid, like no medical advice, no billing discussions, etc.? And lastly, should the agent remember past interactions if it's supported, or treat each conversation as new? Once we get those, I'll write the full system prompt for you to copy and use.
So if the agent doesn't know anything, it should say it doesn't know, or it depends on the question. Sometimes it can refer the question to the office. And one thing I would like is the agents to not give medical advice or diagnosis.
Perfect, that's really clear. The agent will avoid giving any medical advice or diagnoses. And if it doesn't know something, it'll either say so directly or suggest following up with the office. Do you want the agent to remember any user preferences across conversations, like preferred dentist or time of day, or should it treat every interaction as a fresh start?
I would like the agent to remember preferences.
Great. So it can remember basic preferences like favorite dentist or usual appointment time. That works. I've got everything I need. Here's your finished system prompt. You can see the code in our conversation history. Would you like to refine anything or add more example interactions?
So let's take a look here. Okay, there's the prompt card I made. So next step is to just copy and paste this. I think it's fine. Then we go to Vap API, voice API. I call it Vapi. This is how I make my voice agents for calling and booking appointments. So we go here to create assistant. We're going to do custom support. No, black blank template, and then we will go here to paste the system prompts. For now, we can say hello. Uh, okay, everything looks fine. I'm just going to do publish. I'm going to try and talk to the assistants. Allow.
Hello.
Hi, I would like to book an appointment. Any
Hello, how can I
availability?
assist you today? Are you looking to schedule an appointment or do you have questions about our dental office? Of course, I'd be happy to help you book an appointment. Could you let me know what type of appointment you need, e.g., cleaning, checkup, or something else? And if you have a preferred date or time.
I would like to book a cleaning for Thursday, 9 a.m. Is that available?
Thank you for letting me know. I'll check right now. One moment, please. Yes, we do have a 9 a.m. appointment available this Thursday for a dental cleaning. Would you like me to go ahead and book that for you?
Yes, please.
Great, your appointment for a dental cleaning is confirmed for this Thursday at 9 a.m. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
That's it for now. Thank you. Okay, end the call there. So that's it for my quick demonstration. I used, you know, my prompt architect that I created to help me write prompts, and then I copy and paste that prompt into Vapi to create an agent. The next step is to create add tools at on the back end to actually go book an appointment or check availability.